Bonjour et bienvenue mes élèves. Comment ça va? J'espère que tout va bien. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre la leçon 3. Today, we are going to learn lesson 3. Je suis indien. I am Indian. In this lesson, we are going to learn the names of the countries and their nationalities in French. So children, please pay attention and do not forget to write the classwork which is given at the end of the session in your French notebook. D'accord? Children, before starting the lesson, let's learn the meaning of these two words which we will come across in the lesson. The first one, le pays, which means the country, and the second one, la nationalité, which means the nationality. Again I repeat, le pays means the country and la nationalité means the nationality. La nationalité, the nationality. What do you mean by nationality? Nationality means the country which you belong to. For example, if you belong to India, you're an Indian. If you belong to Kuwait, your nationality is Kuwaiti. If you belong to Egypt, you're an Egyptian. So, nationality means the country which you belong to. Points to remember. Children, in French, you have to keep the following points in mind when learning the names of the countries and their nationalities. The first point is, countries can be either masculine or feminine. That is, like all nouns, the countries are also gendered in French. It means they can be either a masculine country or a feminine country. If the French spelling of the country ends with E, then that country will be a feminine country. For example, you take France, it ends with E. So it is a feminine country and it will be written as La France. On the other hand, take Japan. It does not end with E. So it is a masculine country and it will be written as Le Japon. Now the next point. Nationalities agree with the number and gender of the noun it qualifies. Here number means whether the noun is singular or plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. Gender means masculine or feminine. If the noun is singular, then the nationality will also be in singular. If the noun is in plural, then the nationality will also be in plural. If the noun is in masculine, the nationality will be in the masculine form. If the noun is in feminine, then the nationality will also be in the feminine form. So, the nationality becomes masculine, feminine, singular or plural based on the noun. Let's learn the rules to follow to form the feminine of nationalities. By default, the nationality will always be in the masculine singular form. To change it to feminine, we need to do a slight modification in the endings of the nationality in the masculine form. Now let's have a look at this. The endings of the nationality in the masculine and the feminine forms are given. Now if the nationality is ending with AIS, we just need to add an E at the end to form the feminine. If it ends with OIS, then to form the feminine we add an E. If the nationality ends with AIN, to form the feminine again we add an E. If the nationality ends with IEN, to form the feminine, we add NE. So, these rules have to be followed to change the nationality from masculine to feminine. Now, To form the plural of the nationalities both in the masculine and in the feminine, we need to add an S to the masculine singular and the feminine singular. Children, please note, if the masculine singular already ends with an S, then we will not add an S in the plural. Now we will learn the nationalities of the countries one by one. First, le pays, la France. Le pays means the country and la France is France. Children, I had told you in the beginning, if the French spelling of the country ends with E, then that country will be a feminine country. Here, France ends with E and so it is a feminine country and we write it as la France. Next, we'll see the nationality. La nationalité de la France. The nationality of France is Français or Française. We add an E to the masculine to form the feminine. Now let's learn all these with the help of few examples. For the masculine singulier, let us consider a French boy. His nationality will be il est français. Now for the masculine pluriel, let us consider two French boys. We say their nationality as ils sont français. Children, please note we have not added an S here in the plural. Why? Because the masculine singulier already ends with an S. Now, the feminine singulier. For feminine singulier, let's consider a French girl. The nationality of this girl will be elle est française. We have added an E to form the feminine. Now, the feminine pluriel. We'll consider two French girls. The nationality of these girls will be elles sont françaises. Now we will learn the nationality for le pays Londres. Londres is a country, India. The nationality of India in French is Indien or Indienne. We add NE to the masculine to form the feminine. Children, remember if the nationality ends with IEN, we have to add NE to form the feminine. Let's learn these with the help of examples. First, let's consider masculine singulier. For this, let's take an Indian boy. We say his nationality as il est indien. For masculine pluriel, we will take two Indian boys. We say their nationality as ils sont indiens. Note, we have added an S because it is plural. Now for feminine singulier, let us take an Indian girl. We tell her nationality as elle est indienne. We have added NE to form the feminine. For feminine pluriel, let's consider two Indian girls. We say their nationalities as elles sont indiennes. We have added an S to form the feminine. Next we will see le pays, le Kuwait. Le Kuwait is Kuwait. The nationality of Kuwait in French is Kuwaitien and Kuwaitienne. We add NE to form the feminine. Now, let us learn these with the help of examples. First, let us consider the masculine singulier. For this, let's take a Kuwaiti boy. We say his nationality in French as il est Kuwaitien. For masculine pluriel, we will take two Queti boys. We say their nationality as ils sont Quetiens with an S. Now, for feminine singulier, let us consider a Queti girl. Here, her nationality is elle est Quetienne. For feminine pluriel, we will consider two Queti girls. We say their nationality as elles sont Quetiennes with an S. Next is le pays l'Égypte. L'Égypte is Egypt. The nationality of l'Égypte in French is Égyptien and Égyptienne. We add any to form the feminine. Now let us learn these with the help of examples. First, let's consider the masculine singulier. For this, we will take an Egyptian boy. We say his nationality in French as il est Égyptien. Now for masculine plurial, we will consider two Egyptian boys and we say their nationalities as ils sont Égyptiens with an S. For feminine singulier, we will consider an Egyptian girl. Her nationality in French will be elle est Égyptienne. For feminine plurial, we will consider two Egyptian girls. We say their nationalities as elles sont Égyptiennes with an S. Next, we will see le pays, la Chine. La Chine is a country, China. The nationality of Chine in French is Chinois or Chinoise. We add an E to the masculine to form the feminine. Now let us learn these with the help of few examples. For the masculine singulier, let us consider one Chinese boy. In French, we say his nationality as il est chinois. For the masculine plurial, we will consider two Chinese boys and we will say their nationalities as ils sont chinois. Children, note we have not added an S here in the plural since the masculine singular already ends with an S. Now, for the feminine singulier, let us consider one Chinese girl. We say her nationality in French as elle est chinoise. For the feminine plurial, let us consider two Chinese girls. We say their nationalities as elles sont chinoises with an S. Le pays, l'Italie. L'Italie is the country, Italy. The nationality of l'Italie in French is Italien and Italienne. We add any to the masculine to form the feminine. Now let us learn all these with the help of examples. For the masculine singulier, let us consider one Italian boy. We say his nationality in French as il est italien. For the masculine plurial, we will consider two Italian boys. We say their nationalities as ils sont italiens. We have added an S to form the plural. Now, let us consider the feminine singulier. We will take an Italian girl. We say her nationality as elle est italienne. For the feminine plurial, let us consider two Italian girls. We say their nationalities as elles sont italiennes. Le pays, le Canada. Le Canada is Canada. The nationality of Canada in French is Canadien and Canadienne. Canadien in the masculine and Canadienne in the feminine. Now let us learn these with a few examples. For the masculine singulier, let us consider one Canadian boy. We say his nationality as il est Canadien. For the pluriel, we'll consider two Canadian boys, and their nationalities will be ils sont Canadiens. Now, for the feminine singulier, let us consider one Canadian girl. Her nationality is elle est Canadienne. For the feminine pluriel, we'll consider two Canadian girls and we say their nationalities as elles sont Canadiennes. Le pays, le Pakistan. Pakistan is Pakistan. The nationality of Pakistan is Pakistani and Pakistanaise. Pakistani is a masculine and Pakistanaise is a feminine form. Now let us learn these with a few examples. For the masculine singulier, let us consider one Pakistani boy. His nationality will be il est Pakistanais. For masculine pluriel, let us consider two Pakistani boys and their nationalities will be ils sont Pakistanais. We do not add an S here. For feminine singulier, let us consider one Pakistani girl. Her nationality will be elle est Pakistanaise. For the feminine pluriel, we'll consider two Pakistani girls and their nationality will be elles sont Pakistanaises. Next, we learn the nationality of le pays, l'Angleterre. L'Angleterre is England. The nationality of l'Angleterre is Anglais and Anglaise. We add an E to the masculine to form the feminine. Now, let us learn these with a few examples. For masculine singulier, let us consider one English boy. His nationality will be il est Anglais. For masculine pluriel, let us consider two English boys. Their nationalities will be ils sont Anglais. Note, we do not add an S here since the singular already ends with an S. For feminine singulier, let us consider one English girl. Her nationality will be elle est Anglaise. For feminine pluriel, let's consider two English girls. Their nationalities will be elles sont Anglaises. Now we will see le pays, les États-Unis. Les États-Unis is the United States of America. Now let us learn the nationality of les États-Unis. The nationality is American and Americaine. American in the masculine and Americaine in the feminine. We add an E in the masculine to form the feminine. Now let us learn these with examples. For masculine singulier, let us consider one American boy. We say his nationality as il est Américain. For masculine pluriel, let us consider two American boys. We say his nationality as ils sont Américains. For feminine singulier, let us consider one American girl. We say her nationality as elle est américaine. For feminine plural, let us consider two American girls. We say their nationality as elles sont américaines with an S. Le pays, l'Arabie Saoudite. L'Arabie Saoudite is a country, Saudi Arabia. The nationality of l'Arabie Saoudite is Saudien and Saudienne. We add "ne" to the masculine to form the feminine. Now let us learn these with a few examples. For masculine singulier, let us consider one Saudi Arabian boy. His nationality in French will be il est saoudien. For masculine plural, let us consider two Saudi Arabian boys. Their nationalities will be ils sont saudiens with an S. Now, for feminine singulier, let us consider one Saudi Arabian girl. Her nationality will be elle est saudienne. For feminine plural, let us consider two Saudi Arabian girls. Their nationalities will be elles sont saudiennes with an S. Le pays, le Japon. Le Japon is Japan. The nationality of Japan is japonais in the masculine and japonaise in the feminine. We add an E to the masculine to form the feminine. Now let us see few examples. For masculine singulier, let us consider a Japanese boy. We say his nationality as il est japonais. For masculine plural, let us consider three Japanese boys. We say their nationality as ils sont japonais. For feminine singulier, let us consider one Japanese girl. Her nationality is elle est japonaise. We add an E to form the feminine. For feminine plural, let us consider two Japanese girls. Their nationality will be elles sont japonaises with an S. Children, we have learnt the names of the countries and their nationalities in French. Now we will read the lesson from your reader. Leçon 3. Je suis indien. It means I am Indian. Je m'appelle Nikhil. Je suis indien. Et toi? My name is Nikhil. I am Indian and you? Je m'appelle Zhang Zhu. Je suis chinois. My name is Zhang Zhu. I am Chinese. Je m'appelle Robert. Je suis américain. My name is Robert. I am American. Je m'appelle Sarah. Je suis italienne. My name is Sarah. I am Italian. Je m'appelle Paul. Je suis français. My name is Paul. I am French. Children, now you will practice reading this lesson at home. We have given the classwork. Please copy down the classwork in your notebook. Children, this is the classwork. Please copy this in your French notebook. Merci. À bientôt.